Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening Rust's console, press F1, and locating your input configuration. Once there, make a quick backup of input. CFG or copy your current binds to a text file so you can revert. Next, pick the key you'll use to trigger the combat log command. Choose a spare key like F3 or mouse 3 so you won't conflict with movement. You're doing this now to avoid mid-game mistakes and to make edits repeatable across sessions. Now you'll create the actual bind. In the console, type bind followed by your chosen key and the combat log command, for example, bind F3 combat log. Toggle, if the server provides a different plugin command, use that name instead. Once executed, test the key to confirm the toggle works. If it doesn't persist, open input. CFG in your Rust folder and add the same bind line so it loads on start. Make sure to save changes and lock the file if needed to prevent overwrites. Finish by joining the server and verifying the key toggles combat logging reliably. If it works, restart Rust to ensure the bind persists. If not, put the binding line into input. CFG or an auto-exec file so it's applied each launch. One key troubleshooting tip. If the bind does nothing, confirm the server allows client-side binds or that the server plugin exposes a toggle. Sometimes server-side restrictions or name mismatches prevent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.